Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look how to make a velocity pad. Let us first of all go make a new diffuse scene. We won't erase the ground. Let us first of all turn on the grid. Let us create a marble with the radius 0.25 meters for reference. Now we are going to create a rectangle. It can be any other shape like square, circle, or anything else you want. And the rectangle, if you are creating a rectangle, it can be any length or breadth also. Now after you created the rectangle, you have to right click this rectangle, go to geometry actions and click glue to background. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go to the script menu of this rectangle and go to on collide. There inside the curly brackets we are going to type e dot other dot del equals square brackets. Inside the square bracket put 0 comma 0. Now what this is going to do is if anything collide, which in this case will be a marble, it will change that thing's velocity. So in this you can see I just put 0 comma 0. Now how these numbers work is that the first number shows how fast it will move along the x-axis and the second number shows how fast it will move along y-axis. So if now if you want to make this marble to go to make the first, you have to make the first number positive, and if you want the marble to go left, you have to make the first number negative. Also if you want the marble to go up, you have to make the second value positive, and if you want to make the marble go down, make the second value negative. Let us change the speed into 5 comma 3. Okay, now let us test this. We are going to keep this marble over here and we will play. We can see this for that when the marble hits here, it goes diagonally like this. Now if you are wondering why the marble goes diagonally, because it's going both x-axis and y-axis at the same time, and because of that it's going diagonally like this. Now you might see one problem is that I see a problem that is if a marble, once the marble hits here, like it after it reaches the 5 comma 3, it will suddenly start to slow down, but and it won't stay in the same constant velocity. Now to reduce this, to stop this issue, what we are going to do is we are going to change this code little bit. So we are going to go to the script menu of this rectangle. There you see in the on color. Now what we are going to do is we are going to change this VL equals 5 comma 3. We are going to delete that. Instead of that we are going to put e dot other dot post step. We are going to change the post step of this marble. You can see here also, see the post step thing here after putting here also. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make post step equals, we are going to you can see the post step that brackets equals angled brackets, curly brackets, that you have to put this thing, put that thing here also. Okay, now inside the curly brackets of this post step we are going to put VL equals we have to put 5 not 0. Now what it is going to do is unlike before where the velocity once it starts gets that velocity, again it will like slow down and those things. If you put this this velocity equals 5 comma 3 in the post step, it's the post step will make that marble to go in the same velocity for the rest of the time continuously. Let us play the simulation, see if it works. Yeah, let's keep the marble. We can see this marble is continuously moving right. If you are wondering if the gravity is not working, it is working. It's just coming slowly down. You can go right click this marble and go to script menu, where you will see the post step has been updated such that this marble will continuously go towards right. Now you might be wondering, okay, the marble is moving, but what if you want to make that marble to stop? What we are going to do is for this, let us first of all right click this rectangle and go to script menu. We are going to copy the whole code. Now we are going to create another rectangle which will stop this marble right click this rectangle, go to geometry actions, glue it to the background, go and go to script window of this and go to the on collage where we will update the code like this. Now instead of keeping what we are going to do is we are going to keep this inside the curly brackets of this post-up we are going to keep empty, so that this post-up no longer continuously makes the marble to go to that velocity. Just once it becomes empty, it will whatever force act on this will do that. Let's create this marble and see. You can see once it hits here, the post-up this marble no longer continuously goes, right? We can right click this marble and you can see the poster becomes empty. Now another thing is that we are going to create accelerating one. If you want the marble to accelerate, what we are going to do is we are going to keep it as VEL equals VEL plus and say keep the square brackets. Instead that we are going to keep these normal values, how fast we want this to increase, but make sure to put this and all the other mechanics work as usual, but make sure these values are very small, because this thing will accelerate like make this POSIX will make this object to accelerate very fast. So make sure this value is small so that it doesn't go very fast. You can just try to put this thing. You can see it's just because of the slow value, it's already accelerating so fast. And for that, how it is stop it, you can just use the same thing I used, the rectangle we before used. You can just make that post step empty, so that this marble will no longer start increasing forever. Okay. Okay. Now what will happen? We can just keep this this stopping rectangle far away. Let us put a marble for test. We will put this and play the simulation. You can see it's slow, accelerating very fast. But once it hits here, oops, I glue it to the background. But once it hits here, this marble will eventually stop, because the post step has become empty. You can look at the script window and you will see the post step is empty. And that's it. You have successfully made all velocity paths. All sort of velocity paths. The one that gives the velocity for a moment, and one that continuously gives the velocity, and one that accelerates the velocity. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to keep those recreate this rectangle. Oops. We'll just clone these things. Return the clone. We can just also change this appearance, maybe put some other color. Appearance blue. Maybe, and this stopping rectangle you can put some other color. This you can change this code also. This first one will be the accelerating one. The second one will be the one that gives the constant velocity. And the one that just for a moment gives that velocity, and and gives it continuously unless some force acts on it. It's just basically inertia. Unless unless some force acts upon it, it will just go continuously that velocity. Just inertia. Now then we can just put this. Okay. Oops. Okay, and this way just make the post step empty. Okay, now if you're wondering what you will do is for marble for the one with the just the moment velocity. You can just keep a normal rectangle that with a and glue it to the background, so like it will just stop it normally. Now what you can just you can put these things into components. It's loading. You can put these things and name it name it and that's it. We have successfully made all sort of paths in Algodoo. Now what you can do is you can just like this video and share this video. You can also subscribe to my channel, and you can also, in this description I have given my the link to my other channel, that is the Algodoo, where I will upload Marvel based videos after completing this tutorial series. And also you can go uh, to the comment section where I will pin down a comment for all these codes. And that's it. The series complete. Tata. Bye.